Hello students, today we will start syllabus of 12th standard, 12th mathematics part 1. So there are 7 topics in part 1. Now start. The first topic is mathematical logic. In this topic, let's study the first point is statement and its truth value. Second point, logical connective compound statement. Third point, truth tables and negation of statements, compound statements. Fourth point, statement pattern, logical equivalence. Fifth point, tautology, contradiction and contingency. Sixth number, quantifiers and quantifier statements and duality. And last is application of logic to switching circuit, switching table. Now let's start first point, statement. What is a statement? See here. A statement is a declarative assertive sentence which is either true or false, but not both simultaneously. Statements are denoted by small letter P, Q, R. Here, if 3 statements are given that, then first statement is denoted by small letter P, second statement is denoted by small letter Q, and third statement is denoted by small letter R. Statement contains only declarative sentence, remember here. Next, truth value of a statement. Each statement is either true or false. If a statement is true, then its truth value is T, and if the statement is false, then its truth value is false. Here, truth value, if statement is true, then its truth value is T, capital T is denoted by, and if statement is false, then its truth value is denoted by capital F. Remember this word, capital T and F. Next, following sentence are given that here, which is a statement or some sentence are not a statement. See here, first, sun rises in the east. It is a statement because here we can say that this sentence is true since it is a statement. Second example, 5 into 2 is equal to 11. This is a statement because here we can say that this sentence is false. Here 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Since we can say that this is a statement. And third is every triangle has 3 sides. This is also statements because here we can say that this statement is true. Here this sentence is true first, then its truth value is T, capital T denoted by. Second, this statement is false since its truth value is F. And third sentence is true and its truth value is T denoted by T. Here we can write T. Again, here some statements are not a statement. See, first is, please give your pen. This is a sentence, but it is not a statement because this sentence is a imperative sentence. This sentence cannot declare true or false. We cannot say that this statement is true or this sentence is true or false. Second is, what is your name? This is an interrogative sentence. This sentence cannot say true or false since this interrogative sentence not a statement. And last is, what a beautiful place it is. This sentence is exclamatory sentence An exclamatory sentence is not a statement. Remember, only declarative sentences are a statements. Next, logical connectives. The word or phrases which are used to connect two statements are called logical connectives. In this topic, these logical connectivities are 5. First is and, second is or, third is if then, and fourth is if and only if, and fifth is not. These are logical connectivities. This is important. Remember this. Next, simple and compound statement. See here, a statement which cannot be split further into two or more statements is called a simple statement. If a statement is the combination of two or more simple statements, then it is called a compound statement. For example, see here, first sentence, 3 is a prime. This is a simple statement. And another statement is 4 is an even number. This is also simple statement. But compound statement is two simple sentences are connected by this word, and then this whole statement is called a compound statement. Two or more simple statements are combined with a word, then this statement is called a compound statement. Let's see logical connectivity. First logical connectivity is conjunction. See here, if two statements are combined using the connective and, then it is called as a conjunction. Conjunction means and. If two statements are combined by the word and, then it is called as a conjunction. In other words, if P, Q are two statements, then P and Q is called as a conjunction. It is denoted by P and Q. The symbol of conjunction is this, P and Q, and it is read as P conjunction Q or P and Q. The conjunction P and Q is said to be true if both P and Q are true. Remember this sentence. In the conjunction is true when P and Q are true, then the conjunction is true. Let's see truth table for conjunction. This table are very important. Remember this table here. See in the table, first P is a statement. P is a statement and Q is another statement. Here in the P column, we can write its truth value. Suppose first in this form, right here, first true, second true, and remaining two are false. Right, first column. In the second column, Q column, right here truth value, true, false, true, false. Sequence is true, false, true, false. And in first column sequence, remember here, T, T, F, F. Then P conjunction Q is, if both are true, then P conjunction Q is true. Second, if P is true, Q is false, then P conjunction Q is false. And third, if P is false, Q is true, then P conjunction Q is false. And last, if both are false, then P conjunction is false. In this table, only remember if both are true, then conjunction is true and remaining three are false. Next connectives is disjunction. If two statements are combined by using the logical connective or, then it is called as a disjunction. In other words, if P, Q are two statements, then P or Q is called as a disjunction. Here in the disjunction, the word or is connected two statements. it is denoted by P or Q, and it is read as P or Q or P disjunction Q. Here truth table for disjunction is, remember here first P column right here, sequence remember here, first T T, then for false false. In Q column right here, truth value T false T false. Then P disjunction Q is, if both are true, then P disjunction is true. Next, second, if first statement is true, second is false, then P disjunction Q is true. Third, if P is false, Q is true, then P disjunction Q is true. Last, if P is false and Q is false, then disjunction is false. In this table, remember only this sentence. The disjunction P or Q, this word is read as P or Q, is false if and only if both P and Q are false. Here, fourth row, remember here, both are false statements, then disjunction is false. And opposite in opposite conjunction, in conjunction both are true, then conjunction is true. Let third connectives, conditional or another word is implication. See here, if two statements are combined by using the connective if then it is called as a conditional or implication. In other words, if P Q are two statements, then if P then Q is called as a conditional. It is denoted by this letter, this symbol P conditional Q. P implication Q, and it is read as P implies Q or if P then Q. That means in the conditional the word is important if then, and if conditional symbol is this P implies Q, P implication Q. Let's see, truth table for conditional is here. P in the P column, P statement right here, truth value T T F F. In Q statement right here, truth value is T F T F. Then P implies Q is here, if both are true, then P implies Q or P conditional Q is true. Second, if P statement true, Q statement false, then P conditional Q is false. Third, if P statement false, Q statement is true, then P conditional Q is true. And last, if P statement false, Q statement false, then P conditional Q is true. Remember this sentence. The conditional statement P implies Q is false only if P is true and Q is false. Otherwise, it is true. Here P is called hypothesis or antecedent, and Q is called conclusion or consequence. Remember, P is true. Second row, remember here, in the conditional, first statement is true and second is false, then P conditional Q is false and other three are true. Note here, the following are also conditional statement. P implies Q, P is sufficient for Q, Q is necessary for P, P implies Q, Q follows from P, P only if Q. Here in the statement, these words are conditional statements. Next, fourth is biconditional or another word is double implication. See here, if two statements are combined using the logical connective if and only if, then it is called as biconditional. In other words, if P, Q are two statements, then P if and only if Q is called biconditional. It is denoted by P biconditional Q. The symbol of this is biconditional or double implication. It is read as P biconditional Q or P if and only if Q. Here we can read this symbol is P if and only if Q or P biconditional Q or P double implication Q. Let's see the table for biconditional. In the P column or P statement, the truth value is TT, FF. Q column or Q statement, truth value is TF. Then P biconditional Q is, let's see, first, if both are true, P biconditional Q is true. Second, if P is true, Q is false, then P biconditional Q is false. Third, if first statement is false, second is true, then P biconditional Q is false. And last, both are false, then P biconditional Q is true. Remember, this is biconditional statement P if and only if. This symbol is read as P if and only if. Biconditional statement P if and only if is true if P and Q have same truth value. Otherwise it is false. That means here remember only two row, first and fourth row, because here in first row both statements are having same truth value is T, since P biconditional Q is true. And in fourth row both are false. That means it have same truth value, since biconditional is true and other are false. Last point is negation of negation. See here, for any given statement P, there is another statement which is defined to be true when P is false and false when P is true, is called the negation of P and is denoted by this symbol, negation P. This symbol is read as negation P. The table for negation is, suppose consider here P statement is, if P statement is true, then negation of P is false, and if P statement is false, then we write here negation P is T or true. Right here opposite, if P is true, then negation P is false. Note here, negation of a statement is the statement itself. That is, negation of negation P is equal to P.